Today we will see what is the working of a transformer and also see why the transformer works on AC supply, not on DC supply. First we will see what is the transformer. Transformer is an AC device used to change high voltage low current AC into low voltage high current AC and vice versa without changing frequency. Principle of operation. Transformer works on principle of mutual induction, according to which an EMF is induced in a coil when current in the neighboring coil changes. That means when change in flux is there, then only EMF is induced, and this is happen according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Working of transformer. When current in the primary coil changes, being alternating in nature, a change in magnetic field is produced. This change in magnetic field gets associated with the secondary through the soft iron core. Hence, magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil changes, which induces EMF in the secondary coil. Transformer works on AC supply only. It works on AC supply, not on DC supply, because for working of a transformer, change in flux is required, and when there is change in flux, according to Faraday's law, EMF get induced. And this change in flux is getting from the AC supply, not from DC supply. Transformer is always works on AC supply, not on DC supply, to satisfy Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which is basic working principle of transformer. Faraday's law says that when change in flux is there, then only EMF is produced.